Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a new subscriber, I'm so grateful to have you here. Very much welcome to stay. Today I'm doing something different. I want to review this eyebrow hair, this hair remover. This one is called the New Heart of Love. Yeah, it's called a New Heart of Love. Like the previous version was called Finishing Touch Flawless Eyebrows. Like this thing has been out for a while now. It's not like new, but just now I'm laying my hands on it. It's actually general facial remover. Like, it's very common to have hair growing on weird places on your face. Like I do have hair right here, and then of course my brow. Everybody needs brow shaving. So yeah, the pack is looking like this. And then inside you have of course a manual on how to operate it. It's just like very easy. You just have 3 steps: how to insert the battery, how to use it. It has this, it comes with this small brush. I think it's just to wipe off the hair from the nozzle, just to clean it up. First of all, on the pack they said gentle to all skin types, battery included, perfect for eyebrows. Wait, this is what we are actually talking about. When you open it just like that, but it's not ready to use. I think they said it uses batteries, so you just pull it apart. Oh my god, yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so when you open it, it's just like that. This one uses the A3 batteries. So simple as that. And yeah, that's the battery right there, and then click, and that's it. I think it's ready to be used. Let me first see if it works. I love that sound. I'm very eager to see if this is gonna work or not. I want to test it today on my eyebrow. I'm not here to do eyebrow tutorial because I know I suck on that, but at least I can show you, if it does get this hair. Let me zoom in. If it does get this hair, hair surrounding my eyebrow. Maybe I need a mirror for this. Let's just start that. Ooh, I do hear some tick tick tick, so it's like something's happening. Anyway, let me be patient and do this. It's working. Like, oh my god, it's actually working. This camera wants to give me some stress today. It's actually working. Maybe I should zoom in, Okay, hold on. Alright, now take note of this hair we are seeing under my eyebrow right now. Oh my god, this thing works. Like, it's very painless. Like, I was almost like, is it working? Because I don't really see any hair in here, but the hair is gone. I don't also see any hair around my eyebrow either. I'm so happy this thing works. Usually I'll use my tweezers and my eyes will be like full of tears, but right now with this thing I'm gonna have a painless experience now onwards. Like, where has this thing been all this while? Now what I'm skeptical about doing is taking this hair around my mouth. I'm like thinking maybe if I take out this hair, then I will be addicted for life. I will need to be tweeting my hair every single time it grows, and I'm actually scared if I take it out it will grow even more. I have no experience about that, but I don't know if you've seen the hair I'm talking about. Should I? Should I not? Should I? Should I not? Alright, I am all about honesty. Like, I don't see why I should come on here and be lying to you guys. It doesn't really do a good job when it comes to taking off this other hair. I don't know, it doesn't really work when it comes to this hair. Or does it? Okay, let me do like this. Oh yeah, now it's working. Now it's working. I had to do like this. Yes. It works, my dear. I just want to open and see, because you know you can open this or not, and then that's where the hair should be. That's where this brush come in, just to like clean. But I think it like melts the hair, or I don't understand where the hair goes to, because I don't see any hair. Oh yeah, it crunches it and it almost becomes like powder or something. I see just powder from my foundation. I don't really see any hair, so I know is I don't see any hair around my eyebrow either, and that's all I care about. Yeah, so this thing works, and for sure it is pain-free, very like portable. Like, it's not anything big that is gonna be a hassle for you to have it in your, in case you're going on a travel or on a trip, because it's worth it. Worth it. But this thing is not like, it's not for shaping your eyebrow, you know. Your eyebrow should already have a form, or maybe like what I did today, I just drew my eyebrow with my eye pencil, and you have that form already made. That's when you go in with this and just suck up all the hair that's around your nicely shaped eyebrow. Not mine, because I'm not an expert, yours. Yes. Yeah, I'm satisfied with this product and I highly recommend it. You know, I was thinking like maybe it work just for these white girls, because maybe the eyebrow is softer, or maybe I was thinking it doesn't work for type 4 eyebrow. I'm joking. Maybe that I thought it didn't work for like kinky eyebrows. You know, everybody has a different texture of eyebrows. Some people really do have like coarse eyebrows, while others have like baby hair eyebrows. So I am somewhere in the middle. This is the first time I'm taking out hair from around my mouth, so I'm nervous. I hope it doesn't come growing in like crazy and I suddenly become like a man. Fingers crossed, but in case it comes, I have something to, you know, work with. So after rambling and all that, I'm done. This finishing touch flawless eyebrow tool does work, and it really works like an eraser for sure. It's just like erasing any hair you have on your face. I heard there's also one bigger than this, that's like for hair on the leg. I will surely get my hand on that as the summer is coming soon. So that being said, we have come to the end of this video. Hope you did like it, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you have used this product before, and tell me your experience. And also, if you have an idea on, you know, hair around the mouth, you know, or chin for some ladies, when you start taking it out, does it grow even more like crazy? Let me know if you have any experience, or if you've heard anyone say something like that or experience something like that. All right, have a nice day. Bye.